You think that your skin is special. You think your skin is unique, when in fact you have normal skin. That's what we're going to talk about today. If you're new to my channel, and if you're one of my peaches, thank you for being here and sharing your story always. I am Lisa. I am 59. I will be 60 in February. And I've been a holistic master esthetician for over 40 years. It just means I have never teach my clients to ever touch their face with needles, procedures, or pills. Everything I teach is natural. I wear no foundation and concealer in these videos. I have done nothing to my face. So you can be assured that when you come here, I am literally wearing eyeliner and mascara, and I practice what I preach. And I can help anyone have beautiful, healthy skin. Ask me anything with love and kindness below, and I will answer. And you can also reach out to me personally, lisa@PeachesSkinCare.com. If I don't answer within a day, I never got it. I wanted to do this video because I had a conversation with a friend's husband, and over, I would say, the past decade, I have tried to encourage him to understand that his skin has active fungus, that he is not having issues with food, he is not having issues with things that he drinks or puts in his body. It is purely the things that he's putting on his face or that he's done to his face. And it made me realize how many times someone will email me. I'll send them, an email. I'll send them the new client email. Maybe some of you have gotten it. And they'll write me back and they'll say, "Oh my gosh, Lisa, that all looks amazing. The before and after pictures are incredible. But my skin is blank, blank, blank." And I always giggle because your skin is not unique. Your skin is not special. It does not matter what color you are. It does not matter what your ethnicity is. Skin is human skin with different variations in color because of the melanin in our skin. Skin is normal. It is what you do to your skin daily, weekly, and monthly that changes it. So let's say that you're very red and you're very flaky. Nowhere else on your body, just on your face, maybe around your nose, your chin, and you go to the doctor and the doctor immediately says you have rosacea, you have eczema, or you have psoriasis. And my peaches right now are all giggling because they know that I will say those are the most overly diagnosed skin diseases. We have natural fungus and bacteria always on our skin. It's when we leave an opening for it that we have an issue. So I want you to sit back and ask yourself, what are you cleansing with? What are the products you're using? Do you do all of these beautiful cleansers and serums? Not all of them are good. Probably 9 out of 10 are bad. And then you just pile all this foundation on your face because you saw a beautiful video where this lady showed you all this concealer and foundation and you thought that it looked great. I want you to remember that in real life, that much makeup does not look healthy. I want you to remember that it is likely clogging your pores that are really hair follicles. You are having chemical reactions to all the colors, the fragrances. There is no clean foundation. Say it with me. There is no clean foundation. And when you use those products on your skin, I said this in a recent video and someone had an aha moment. Men don't get melasma. There are very few men that do because they don't put all of that junk on their face, go out into the sun, and the chemicals react with the sun and create melasma. I promise you that is what the issue is. If you're breaking out, it's the same issue. I think it's lovely that so many people have such beautiful messages in articles we read, marketing, social media, but there's also so many that give such misinformation. They'll tell you to do a needle procedure or pill, or they've done a needle procedure or pill, and then they tell you this product works. And they also try to make acne seem very normalized. And I think it's lovely because I know people who've suffered with it. I mean, I have had countless parents in my over 40 years bring me children from all over. I've had kids flown in, and every single time their skin changes the minute they stop doing foundation and concealer, the minute they stop the junk they're using on their face, the second they stop shaving wrong as a boy. There are so many reasons why we break out as teenagers, and there's so many ways to take care of it that are quick and easy and healthy. And here is a wonderful example. This is a client who would wear foundation and concealer. She was using just junky products. She thought she was doing everything well. And it was her mom who reached out to me. And she actually had her reach out to me privately because she really wanted her daughter to take responsibility. She was a part of the conversation, of course. And I remembered after talking with her, and I'm pretty sure she wouldn't care that I used her name, but I'll just say her, she sent me a video, and her older brother was there with all his friends, and I was so proud of her. Her skin was at its worst, and she was having them video her throwing all of her foundation and concealer and all of her skincare in the trash. She started, yes, the Peaches routine, and yes, I'm going to talk about that because that's what I create. These are the things I help heal clients with. And her skin started changing over days and weeks and months. And this is her skin today. No medication, no procedures, no needles. So I really want you to ask yourself, what are you doing to your skin, and then why are you having the issues? Microneedling. You're poking your face with holes. You're told it's creating collagen because the skin heals immediately. Not true. Your skin is swollen. It is irritated. It is creating fungus and bacterial tears that can cause issues later. And there are many studies coming out where, and you look for things. You are knowledgeable people. You are wise. You know when something's right or wrong, that are actually saying so many of these procedures are actually prematurely aging the skin. You don't need to do that. You are going to keep chasing that look of laser, that look of microneedling, that look of injectables your whole life, and you're never going to be happy because it's never going to be enough. And then you're going to be like some of these people. There is she's a housewife, and I'm not going to say her name, but she's really struggling with her skin. And I think she said she had mites in her skin or something like that. The bottom line is she did too many fillers, too many injectables, and too much junk to her skin. And her skin's the largest organ of the body, and it is just broken down. You can just see it. It is just broken down. You have got to stop doing all of this junk to your face and thinking that it does something. Physicians have gone to school so much longer than I have. Cosmetic surgeons, even more. But that doesn't always mean that they're giving you great advice. Telling you that you need to change your face to look healthier, to have healthy skin, in my opinion, is not a good thing to do. It is your choice what you do, and it is your choice what you choose to do with your skin. However, I'm here to tell you that just massaging creates oxygenation of skin cells and blood flow, and therefore collagen at any age. I've gone through menopause. I am not aging rapidly every day. I take incredible care of myself, probably better than I ever have, because it is a time to nurture yourself. Stop the foundation and concealer. Throw out all the junky skincare. Those same people that email me will say, I don't like my skin for this, I don't like my skin for that, but I'm gonna finish what I have because I feel guilty. Stop feeling guilty. Get rid of it. Email me, lisa@PeachesSkinCare.com. Let's get you on a routine where you will be amazed at the results. Stop thinking injectables. Stop thinking lasers and those types of things are going to help your skin. Many times they actually make your skin thicker and more callous, so you think the issue's gone, when in reality it's just underneath layers of skin and you've got to go back and do it later. Wear a wide-brimmed hat outside. Eat healthy, drink your water, get a good night's sleep, and above all, go back and look at all of the videos that I have made, because you will be amazed what you can do for your skin. I want to end this video with some before and afters of clients, and I'm just going to put them up. I hope I've encouraged you, and I hope I've helped you to uncover your true confidence. But this is to encourage you and help you see the changes that can be created when you take care of your skin. Yes, they have all done the routine that I recommend, and yes, they don't wear foundation and concealer, and no, they didn't do anything else. Maybe just some of the little tips and tricks that I have. I hope it encourages you.